Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Virgie Artis. Well, just finished having my lunch. And by the way guys, you want to see what's inside my mask? Okay, I'm going to remove this mask. I'm done, but I need to go back to work now. But I need to do a little video, short video I mean. Okay, good luck. This is what's inside my mask. Oof. See? What is the use of this? Having this? Nothing. See? Mask and the eyeglass. And then after putting everything, you just have to put the mask. Is the use of putting lipstick, by the way? Well, it's fine. Hey guys, it's 1 minute video. See, that is the sign of aging. Look at this one. I don't know how to remove this, but it's okay. It looks like mole. Well guys, before anything else, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the tiny bell for you to get notified whenever I'm going to upload a new video, just like this. Okay guys, bye bye. I need to put back my mask because I need to go back to work now. So see, I'm putting 2 masks double because I feel like it's too thin. That's why I don't like it. It's fine for me. Hey guys, bye bye.